how to hide WhatsApp status from being seen. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. This is the WhatsApp settings page. Now, go to Privacy. Then, go to Status. Here, you can choose who can see your status updates on WhatsApp. Select My Contacts if you want to share your status with all of your contacts. If you only want to share with selected contacts, tap on Edit beside this option. From this list, you can select the people you want to share your WhatsApp status with. After selecting, tap on Done at the top right corner. Only these contacts will be able to view your WhatsApp status from now on. You can go back and change the settings whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily hide WhatsApp status from being seen.